Hey guys, this is Chris from Super DIY Diva. Has this ever happened to you where you broke a drawer in your kitchen or some other place and you just don't know what to do? You got two choices. Either you leave it like this or you fix it. Let me show you how to fix it. The first thing you're going to need to do is to remove the attached piece to your front that's attached to your door front. Simply unscrew it. Don't throw it away because you're going to need it as a template to drill your holes onto your replacement piece. You can also, well, I do this, mark your piece so that you can tell which side goes up and which side goes down. Once your piece is removed, flip it over so that you have the smooth edge on one side. This will help you to get an accurate measurement. You're going to want to measure horizontally as well as vertically. Make sure your measurements are precise. Then mark them down and take them to Lowe's to get your wood cut, or take them to your table saw and cut them yourself. Make sure your edges are straight. Here's my replacement piece that I just cut. Retrieve the old piece that you removed from your door front. You're going to use this as a template. Place it on top of your new piece. As you see here, I put an arrow on the bottom so I know where to match them up. Once you have secured your template on top of your replacement piece, you're going to need to screw pilot holes. I have two different sizes pilot holes here. If you don't know what size you need, just get your drill bits and pick the one that fits snugly into the hole and you use those. I really wish I can give you precise measurements, but no drawer is the same. You may have different size holes or different size backing, so just measure your piece precisely. He loves to be under me when I'm doing DIY projects. This is my dog, Rocky. Alright, let's get back to work. Now what you're going to do after you finish drilling your pilot holes all the way through your board, you want to place your nail, discard your template, and you want to place your screws in your nails in the hole. This is going to make it easier for you to line it up on top of your faceplate, your drawer faceplate. Now we need to clean up the drawer so that we can put our new faceplate on. This is not my drawer. This is one of my family members, so I kept everything inside the drawer because, you know, that's their privacy and not mine. What you're going to do is you're going to remove the old particle board on the sides and try to get all the nails and the screws associated with, you know, them being on the drawer. Take those all out so you just have the sides. Okay, so you should end up looking something like this. All of the particle board is gone, and I tried to get all the nails out, and I actually did get all the nails out. I didn't clean the drawer as I would normally because there's stuff in there, and I'm going to have my family member clean it when they get back. Now, don't worry about little dings like this. There will not be in sight. They'll be covered up, and the drawer's sturdy by itself. You want to do a dry fit of your drawer face to the actual drawer to make sure everything lines up, and if you have to shave some things down or anything, I was able to do a good fit first try out, and that doesn't happen every time. So let's put this thing together. Get your wood glue and apply it to the ends of your replacement board. The glue is really the thing that's going to keep this drawer together. And in fact, because we're switching out particle board for plywood, the drawer is actually stronger now. So you're going to do both sides. Now it's time to replace the screws. What we're going to do is we're going to replace the screw on the bottom on your rail slide. That secures the face to the drawer. Make sure to do both sides. We're going to use brad nails to nail the upper sides of the drawer to the drawer face. If you don't have a brad nailer, you can easily do this with some finished nails and a hammer. Now we are all done, just like I remember it before it was broken. I hope this DIY project was helpful for you and replacing something that doesn't need to be thrown out. You could just fix it yourself. All right, thank you. Please, if you like the video, subscribe below. I'll have more videos coming out, and follow me on IG. You can see that below. Thanks. Bye.